became the epicenter of a catastrophic event. In a recent volcanic eruption, Tonga faced immense devastation, triggered by the largest underwater volcano known to humanity, the Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai. This colossal eruption not only shattered the tranquility of the island, but also raised concerns globally about the potential far-reaching consequences of such natural disasters. The unseen threat. The story begins with the ominous cracks in the earth caused by the violent eruption of the Hunga Tonga Hunga, a submarine volcano nestled along the Kermadec Tonga Ridge. This geological marvel, formed by the convergence of the Pacific and Indo-Australian plates, boasts two small volcanic islands, Hunga Tonga and Hunga Ha'apai, as the only visible remnants of the explosive activity hidden beneath the ocean surface. This volcano had long been considered one of the most active and deadly volcanoes in the South Pacific. Its predominantly submerged state, characterized by an extensive 20-kilometer diameter base extending across the seafloor and reaching a towering height of approximately 2,000 meters towards the ocean surface, made it a geological wonder. However, the dormant facade crumbled with the sudden increase in volcanic activity, challenging the perception of volcanic predictability. The prelude to catastrophe. Scientists delved into the geological history of this underwater giant, uncovering evidence of previous eruptions dating as far back as 118 CE. However, recent eruptions in 2021 and 2022 shattered any illusion of containment, surprising even seasoned experts. The volcano had awakened with a force not witnessed in over a century, reminiscent of the catastrophic eruption in Krakatoa in the 19th century. The eruption on December 20th, 2021 marked the beginning of a series of cataclysmic events. The ash cloud from the eruption reached as far as the capital of Tonga, covering the city in a thick film of volcanic dust. The eruption's magnitude was so intense that it surpassed the volcanic explosivity index of 6 eruptions, making it the most disastrous since the 19th century Krakatoa eruption. The repercussions of the eruption were both immediate and far-reaching. Tonga's coastal areas faced destructive tsunami waves, with the capital's waterfront being severely ravaged. Reports surfaced of missing individuals, submerged islands, and residents struggling to breathe amidst the volcanic ash. The eruption's impact extended beyond Tonga, affecting regions as far as Fiji, Japan, Hawaii, and Peru, leaving a trail of casualties, material damage, and an oil spill in its wake. The lingering uncertainty. Repair crews faced significant challenges in restoring communication infrastructure damaged by the eruption. Limited satellite connectivity was established only later, highlighting the ongoing volcanic activity's hindrance to recovery efforts. Tonga's cable system was severely disrupted, further complicating the situation. The true extent of the damage remained unknown, adding to the uncertainty and challenges faced by the affected communities. The World Bank's estimation of a staggering $90.4 million in damages in Tonga underscored the economic toll of the eruption. This accounted for 18.55% of Tonga's total GDP, painting a grim picture of the economic setbacks faced by the island nation. The disruption of flights due to volcanic ash in surrounding regions added chaos and further economic strain, making the impact of this natural disaster truly global. As scientists grappled with understanding the eruption's unprecedented magnitude, questions arose about the volcano's vulnerability to future eruptions. The 2021-2022 eruptions were marked by their unpredictability, catching both experts and the global community off guard. The scientific community worked tirelessly to analyze satellite data, field observations, and drone mapping to comprehend the eruption's scale and potential consequences. Comparisons with historical eruptions. To contextualize the magnitude of the Hunga Tonga eruption, comparisons were drawn with historical volcanic events. The eruption's power was likened to a hydrogen bomb, with shockwaves felt as far away as the United Kingdom. The eruption set records for the highest volcano plume, projecting ash 36 miles into the atmosphere. The ensuing atmospheric waves circled the globe at astonishing speeds, leaving a lasting impact on Earth's climate. The eruption evoked memories of past catastrophic volcanic events, such as the 1883 Krakatoa eruption. Krakatoa, situated between Java and Sumatra in Indonesia, had smaller eruptions before its colossal explosion in 1883. The eruption caused massive tsunamis, resulting in a death toll estimated between 36,417 and 120,000. The island collapsed, creating a void later filled by a new island, Anak Krakatoa. The parallels with Hunga Tonga raise concerns about the potential for repeated devastation. Beyond the scientific and economic implications, the eruption triggered a humanitarian crisis. Islands were submerged, buildings reduced to rubble, and communities displaced. Rescue operations faced formidable challenges, compounded by the destruction of communication infrastructure. Tonga's cable system disruption hindered coordination, leaving many in limbo about the fate of their loved ones. The eruption's impact extended beyond immediate physical damage, affecting mental and emotional well-being as well. The ecological impact of the eruption reverberated through the marine and terrestrial ecosystems. Sea animals faced burial, habitats were ruined, and the land's fertility was jeopardized. The interconnectedness of these ecosystems heightened concerns about long-term environmental consequences, raising questions about the resilience of the affected ecosystems and their ability to recover. Now, if you're liking our video so far, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you. The unraveling mystery. As scientists sought to unravel the mystery behind the eruption's unpredictability, theories emerged. The intrusion of water into the volcano's hot magma was identified as a potential trigger, causing a steam eruption. The eruption's origin, characterized by a magma hammer effect, suggested turbulent movements within the magma chamber. The seismic records revealed anomalies indicating a pressure drop during the eruption, a phenomenon not typical in volcanic eruptions. Despite the eruption's devastating impact, the threat posed by the volcano persisted. The volcano's history revealed sporadic eruptions, with signs of activity observed from 2014 to 2015. An eruption beneath the sea during this period played a crucial role in shaping the Pacific region. The buildup of volcanic materials beneath the ocean's surface gradually formed a new landmass, culminating in the emergence of a visible island near Hunga Tonga. The unpredictable nature of the volcano left experts wary of future eruptions. The eruption of this volcano has prompted a reflection on the diversity of volcanic behavior. The shield volcanoes, characterized by their gentle slopes and fluid lava flows, were contrasted with the more explosive cinder cone volcanoes. While shield volcanoes like those in Hawaii were known for their relatively predictable behavior, unexpected eruptions such as the 2018 Kailua eruption heightened the need for constant vigilance. Cinder cone volcanoes, smaller but potent, displayed unique features, erupting explosively and creating distinctive cone-like shapes. The stratovolcano enigma. Stratovolcanoes, often likened to layered cakes, stood out as towering giants with steep slopes and a composition revealing Earth's historical events. Mount St. Helens and Mount Fuji exemplified the explosive nature of stratovolcanoes, showcasing the potential for widespread damage during eruptions. The layers of lava, ash, and volcanic materials served as historical records, offering critical insights into a volcano's past behavior. The comparison with Mount Fuji's eruption in 1707 underscored the lasting impact on communities and landscapes. So what are your thoughts on all of this? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. And don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.